In this video, I'll be showing you how to make boarding pass template in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking into the search bar on the Canva home screen and typing in boarding pass. As the results load, I can browse through a wide variety of templates to find the perfect layout. I'll scroll down and take a look at the different styles, ranging from clean and modern designs to more decorative themed options. Once I find the right one, I'll click on it to see a preview. This orange and white modern boarding pass looks great, so I'll select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now that I'm in the editor, I'll start personalizing the details. I'll click on the airline name at the top and update it to Fly Air Airlines. Next, I'll select the passenger's name and change it to Clara Anderson. It's very easy to swap out any of these text fields to fit my needs. I also need to adjust the flight details. I'm changing the date to October 15th and the departure time to 9:30 a.m. I'll then move down to the airport codes, changing the origin to JPN and the destination to LHR. Since this is a realistic ticket design, I need to update the information on the boarding pass stub on the right side as well. I'll go through and match the date, the time, and the departure and arrival locations so the information is consistent across the entire ticket. Now I'll scroll down to the second page of the template. I want to make sure the branding is the same here, so I'll click the large text in the center and change it to Fly Air Airlines once more. After a final look at the design to make sure everything is correct, I'm ready to save the file. I'll go up to the Share button in the top right corner and click on Download. I'll keep the suggested PDF format and click the final Download button to save the finished boarding pass to my computer. And that's it.